Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm popping on here quickly to tell you that there won't be a challenge video this Wednesday. We had some sort of difficulties at the end of the retreat with the airline shutdown, so my pals that have flown in and are from out of town weren't able to get home. That's the bad news. The good news is our retreat house lady let us stay for a couple extra days, so we're just crafting away. It's all good. So anyway, I wanted to let you know I won't be doing Margarete Miller this week, nor Rachel, nor the hashtag Little Bits of Lace 2024. So we'll get back at it next week. I hope you're all having a good week. And would you like to hear hello from my girls? Hello. You got it. There they are. There they are. We're still having fun. It's just extended a little longer than we thought it would be. So thanks for coming over. I will see you next week for the challenge. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.